Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a stunning crochet blanket designs ideas to add some handmade charm to your home. Get cozy with us with crochet a beautiful blanket to keep you warm and snug. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet ladies blankets designs ideas. We will be crocheting a classy combination blanket perfect for any room. Learn how to make this gorgeous granny square blanket a timeless crochet classy. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some texture and pattern. We will be using a multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add boundary borders. We will be using stitches, single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture width to create a unique and personalized blanket. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely look crochet blankets are complete, ready to use, ready to wear. Hope so you like this video in different collection, different tips and tricks, pattern ideas. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, different tutorial and videos. If you want more information, crochet tutorial and ideas to keep your cozy and creative. Hope so you like this video and different collection ideas. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives and customers. Please be share your finished crochet blanket with us on different social medias account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work, home decoration ideas, different accessories ideas. Happy hooking. We will be seeing you in the next video. Take care of yourself. If you want to buy these blankets ideas, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website BePatron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. If you want more information about crochet work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. Okay viewers, take